Aside from posting jobs and having applicants apply directly, or else searching for candidates and inviting them to apply, there is another way to source candidates as well, and that's to use a virtual career fair. So virtual career fairs are by invitation by WanPNG, and so WanPNG organizes virtual career fairs around certain times of the year or certain industries. And if you're invited to participate and you can inquire with WanPNG about getting involved, then the event will be added to your virtual career fair page. So if you click on virtual career fairs, here are a couple of examples of virtual career fairs that this account's been invited to. So first one is ongoing, currently live, and another one is upcoming in the future. Okay, so we'll look at the live ones as there'll be a little bit more activity. If I just click on the virtual career fair, it takes me to the virtual career fair space. Okay, so for an employer, there's 3 tabs. First is the event portal, and then our booth and the live Q&A. And in this case, because this is a live virtual career fair, you can see the Live Now tab. All right, so at a glance, this page is set up by WanPNG, and so it'll show you some images. There may be an introductory video as well. There'll be text describing the virtual career fair for job seekers. There'll be announcements made by WanPNG. There is also a Twitter feed, so anyone who's using the official hashtag will also appear here as well. And so you can take this hashtag and start tweeting about your opportunities, about your participation in the virtual career fair, and that will appear here in the live stream of the Twitter feed. And then you'll notice that there's employer booths. And so this is, in my example, this is my employer booth as well, okay? So this is the view that the job seeker sees when they enter it. And then, of course, they're going to come in and out of each of the employer's booths and join your webinar and ask you questions. They're going to look at your profile, they're going to see your jobs, and they can apply to jobs as well, right? So let's look over at our booth tab. Okay, so you'll notice right away that what it does is it pulls across your employer profile that you've already set up. So if you haven't already set up an employer profile, you definitely want to go and do that so that this information is available to the job seekers when they have a look at your booth. And so this is their booth view. And so they're going to see your contact information, your social media links, your profile, your website. They can immediately view all your jobs. Now, because I'm here as an employer, obviously I can edit my profile. So if you haven't already done that, you can do it from here as well. And then they got your careers tab, about tab, and event tab, right? So all the stuff that you set up, this is here for them in your employer expanded profile. And they can see all of your latest jobs as well and go and view all your jobs, okay? So part of the process with the booth is obviously to communicate with job seekers, help to identify them, answer any questions that they might have, and hopefully steer them in the direction of jobs that you've listed that they might be well suited for. All right, so let's go look at the top. So on the right-hand side, if you haven't already been here for the first time, when you're setting up your booth, it's going to have you input a link and hours availability for them to join a webinar, okay? So what you want to do is use a Zoom and set up a link and schedule a time where you can have one of your representatives, which is like your hiring manager or hiring lead or talent acquisition or head of HR, to give a talk and make a presentation to job seekers that they can join live. So the job seekers are going to be coming in and out of the booths, checking the times when you're going to be available and when you're online, and they're going to be able to join that link, okay? So when you edit the link, you post a link, you put in the time that you're going to be available and then save that, okay? And then that link will be clickable so that the job seeker can click on that and go immediately to join your webinar, and you can use Zoom for that. And so they're able to join and listen to you and watch your presentation. Okay, and then you also have the live Q&A. So when you're signed in right now, it's not showing, but when you're attending this, it will actually show them that you're live online. And so they're able to ask questions and interact with you live. All right, so if I enter the live Q&A, okay, here I can actually answer questions. Okay, so here's an example of a job seeker that asked a question, and then I answered it. Okay, so I've already answered this one. And then here's another question. So this one's asking, will this mostly be an outside job? And so I can reply and say, yes, this will mostly be outside, or something like that. Okay. Okay, and so that I can reply to that. All right, and then they can also view my booth and everything else as well. So, and this is how I work with the virtual career fairs. And so the idea obviously is to answer the job seekers' questions and then you can ask them to apply to your jobs and go and look at those candidates. You can also go and, because you know that this person has to be registered, you can just take their name and go search for candidates and look at their profile as well. It's better, obviously, to invite them to apply to your job so that you can have the full detail of their profile available to you. Okay, and so then this is the rest of your booth, right? And in the future, once this is done, it will actually save a record of this. So you do have a record of the conversation that you had with all the job seekers, and you can share any information that you want with them here and direct them with links to things like that. So that's the virtual career fairs. Now, when you do have a virtual career fair in the future, all right, so it'll be pretty much the same view, but you will be able to add it to your calendar. So you can add this in the future, just a reminder to you, like in your work calendar, that you have this virtual career fair to attend. And you can also share the event. So when you've been invited, once you set up your booth, then you're going to want to copy this and post it on your social media and have all the job seekers that are interested come and attend and ask questions and join your webinar. All right, so that's the future virtual career fairs as well.